What is up, crawler fans, RC enthusiasts, and social media surfers? I'm your boy Josh, and that's Speedy Pete. Man, let's rip some laps. That's our Fcx24. Was a power wagon, rocking a gladiator body. That is why his name is AKA Minimus, the baby Yater. Let's go, Pete, dude. So this is just a freaking great time. We are out here below the dam at Lake Texoma on the Red River, right near where we normally play. We are on the Oklahoma side, and so just had to come shred some laps. I've been thinking about, I'm like, man, where can we find some good sand that's not a volleyball court, that we're not going to be like tearing somebody else's stuff up. So came out here to shred some laps, dude. Just wanted to leave this with you. Don't have a whole lot, dude. Just enjoy these laps, man. And I hope that you have a great one, dude. Get yourself an FCX24 Power Wagon or the Max Smasher or whatever, dude. Put a speed motor in it and let's go rip. By the way, these are the Mofo monster truck wheels. Super fun, man. With the locked up rear end, this thing is super slippy. You know, at some point maybe we'll go ahead and try to do the freewheel like in the Smasher, but this thing is just so fun, man. I was gonna show off the Smasher today, but the drive shafts popped. I had the drive shafts in from the Power Wagon from when I robbed it. I swapped them out, so it just both popped out. Freaking sucks. Didn't have any tools or whatever. Just went ahead and rocked Pete. Speedy Pete.
Hard,
so,
dude.
anyways, man, I'm gonna leave it with you, dudes. I hope you have a great freaking day, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Rip till you flip, homies.
Dang it! Oh my gosh, dude, hit a good lap. Just one. That was clean. Oh my God.